Your goal for 2024 is just to be 1% better every single day. That's it. You don't have to overwhelm yourself with too many tasks or to-do lists. All you have to do is truly show up for yourself every single day, whether that's working out, meditating, journaling, nourishing your body in a better way, whatever it is, whatever you're working towards. Just pick one thing that you can do every day and just do it. Be consistent with it. Show up for yourself and build that self-trust. If you say that you will do this one thing every day, make sure you commit and do it every day. The more you can keep promises to yourself, the more you learn to trust yourself. This is how you stop abandoning yourself. Self-abandonment happens when we say we're going to do one thing and then do another. And the more you do that, the more you're teaching your mind and your body that you are not a trustworthy person. So let's do this together in 2024. Let's build self-trust. Let's keep our daily routine simple. Don't do too many things at one time, especially if you're just starting out on this journey. Just pick one thing and consistently do it every single day. I'm doing Joe Dispenza's meditations every single day, and I've been doing that for almost 2 weeks now. I'm really proud of myself, and I intend to keep going. This is how I'm showing up for myself, and this is how I'm building self-trust. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And trust me, 1% every single day goes a long way. It's all about the little things that you do daily. And if you want to join a manifesting community and find an accountability buddy, definitely join my program, Become Magnetic. So many wonderful, high vibe people in there, and we're always supporting one another. Let me know what is the one thing you're going to focus on this year. Let me know in the comments below. All right. Ask me any questions as well if you have them, and follow for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.